Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for comfortable, stylish, and warm boots for this winter, you're going to love these Chelsea boots from Comfy Moda. These are in brown leather. I love the way they naturally scuff and wear in a little bit. It just makes them look very authentic. They are wool lined, so talk about warm. We've had below freezing weather this year already, and these have been so comfortable. They're waterproof, so my feet stay nice and dry. I like the sole on them. They're nice and grippy, so even if it is a little slippery outside, you've got some security there in the sole. I find they run very true to size. I got my regular size 9 and they're nice and comfortable. They also send an extra pair of insoles, so if you do have a little bit of space, you can fill it in with those. Every detail on these is beautiful. The stitching, the color, all of the nice lines, really well-made boot. So if you're looking for similar, you want to look great while also keeping your feet warm, I think you'll be really happy with these ones, and that's my point of view.